everyone, today's video is a Hallmark Gold Crown Premiere Event Ornament Haul. Anyone who is unfamiliar with Hallmark's release schedule for ornaments, they began releasing ornaments in July, but in May, before any ornaments are released for sale, they release the Dream Book. The Dream Book is a catalog with all the ornaments that will be available for purchase, along with information such as which month each ornament will be available for purchase in. On the back of the Dream Book, there is a list of events and dates when ornaments will be released on. The first event, and the first time the ornaments will be available for purchase, is in July at the Ornament Premiere event. I've attended the premiere event for the past 2 years, and this year's event was the busiest I've ever seen it. Because of this, I decided not to vlog my shopping trip, so there is no footage of me shopping on that day. Instead, I will show you the ornaments I purchased. The first 2 ornaments in my haul are of Lumiere and Cogsworth from Disney's Beauty and the Beast. The Lumiere ornament is part of Hallmark's regular ornament collection, while Cogsworth is a limited quantities ornament that was available starting on the premiere event. The Lumiere ornament is called Be Our Guest and is larger than the Cogsworth ornament and will light up and play Be Our Guest when you push the button at the base. The ornament comes with a set of batteries it will need to make the music play. I didn't put the batteries in the ornament to see how it worked, but I plan on doing this when it is closer to Christmas. The Cogsworth ornament does not have the ability to light up or play music, but I do think it is a very cute ornament and will match the Lumiere ornament and other Beauty and the Beast ornaments I own very well. These next 2 ornaments in my haul are Robin and Lady Robin. Like with the Lumiere and Cogsworth ornaments, Robin is part of the normal Hallmark ornament collection, while Lady Robin is part of the limited quantities ornaments and was only available during the premiere event. The Robin ornament is the 14th ornament in the Beauty of Birds series. I started collecting the Beauty of Birds ornaments a few years ago, and even though I don't have all the ornaments in the series, I always look forward to seeing each new ornament in the series. They are always so detailed and beautiful. Lady Robin is also part of the Beauty of Birds series and is the companion to the Robin ornament. Both Robin and Lady Robin are so lovely, I want to display them more times throughout the year, possibly during the springtime. The next ornament in this haul is Brilliant Butterflies. This particular ornament is the second in the series. I normally have a hard time finding butterfly ornaments I like because even though I think they're very pretty, I don't like the quality of most of the ornaments I see. This butterfly ornament is very pretty and the quality of it impresses me a lot. The white parts of the body are ceramic while the gold is metal. I'm so very happy I purchased this ornament and look forward to displaying it on my Christmas tree. The next ornament in my haul is called Classic Box of 8. This ornament is of a Crayola Crayons Classic Box of 8 crayon colors. I had Crayola Christmas ornaments when I was a child, but I'm unsure where they are stored. Because of this, I cannot put them on my Christmas tree. When I saw the Classic Box of 8 in this year's Dream Book, I decided to buy it as a replacement for my old ornaments. This ornament is larger than the ones I used to have, but I still love it and can't wait to put it on my Christmas tree. The next ornament in my haul is Bell Ringer Snoopy. This ornament is the 21st in the Spotlight on Snoopy series. Although I'm a huge fan of Charles Schulz's Peanuts, and my favorite character is Snoopy, I actually wanted the Spooky Snoopy Halloween ornament. But while I was at the premiere event, I realized that many of the ornaments I wanted sold out, including the Spooky Snoopy Halloween ornament. Because of this, I decided to buy other ornaments that I didn't originally plan to, but still had my eye on. One of these ornaments was the Bell Ringer Snoopy. Even though this ornament wasn't near the top of my to-buy list, I am very happy I bought it. It's very cute, and I look forward to adding it to my Christmas tree. The last Christmas ornament in my haul is a record player. This record player has decorations that are inspired by the Christmas cartoon Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. It also lights up and plays the song Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer as performed by Gene Autry. Like with the Snoopy ornament, I had my eye on this ornament, but I had no plans to buy it until after the premiere event. After discovering so many of the ornaments I wanted were sold out, I bought this one instead. I'm very happy I purchased this ornament and look forward to playing it after I put the batteries that came with it inside the ornament. final ornament in this haul is a Halloween ornament. For the past few years, I've made an effort to buy more Halloween ornaments to display during the month of October. When I saw this bat ornament, I decided to buy it. The ornament is similar quality to the Beauty of Birds ornaments and is very cute. Well, that's all I have to show you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, including sewing videos, please subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.